Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I make my DIY aloe vera shampoo. This shampoo has been really great for my scalp. I had like really bad dandruff and it's been helping a lot. It also helps to detox the scalp, prevent hair loss, and help grow hair faster. So if you're interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Alright, let's dive right into it. Okay guys, so this is my hair about a week ago. It's full of dandruff and everything, and a lot of people were suggesting that I try out a aloe vera shampoo or pre-poo. So I got my aloe vera and I decided to make a shampoo. So the first thing you're going to need for your aloe vera shampoo is aloe vera. You can either use aloe vera directly from the plant. I couldn't get my hands on any, so I just decided to use this one by Lily of the Desert. I use it because it's 99% pure and organic, and the 1% is just preservative to make the product last longer. And I actually think this would be better for the shampoo I'm making because I won't have a time limit on how soon I will have to use it all. So you're going to put 1 cup of water into a bowl, and then you're going to go ahead and mix the aloe vera with the water. So you're going to want to have the same ratio of aloe vera mixed with the water. So about 1 full cup should do the job. And aloe vera is absolutely amazing as a shampoo or a pre-poo treatment. Rubbing aloe vera onto your scalp and letting it penetrate your hair follicles will condition and improve the damage of your hair, give it more moisture. So aloe vera contains proteolytic enzymes, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. So it's an amazing scalp treatment. And I've always been a huge fan of aloe vera. I put it in my deep conditioners sometimes. I will use it as a shampoo. Whatever I need it for, it does an amazing job with natural hair. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is mix olive oil into the shampoo. And olive oil is one of my favorite oils and moisturizes your hair and reduces scalp irritation. So that is another thing that can help if you struggle with dandruff. So I like to mix about 4 to 5 tablespoons of olive oil into the mixture. The next thing I'm going to add to the shampoo is honey. And honey has emollients and humectic properties, which bond with water molecules to add moisture to your hair strands. So I'm going to add about 5 or 6 tablespoons of the honey to the shampoo, and then I'm going to mix everything together. After that, I like to add a little bit of the Miriam Hampton hair growth oil for a little razzle dazzle. And then I'm just going to mix all of those ingredients together and our shampoo should be ready. Alright, so this is how it looks all mixed together. And now what you're going to do is take a funnel and then put it into a bottle. Alright, so now it is time to apply to the scalp, and I just shake it up, squirt it into my hands, and apply directly to my scalp. And I also squirt it onto my scalp. I really like this applicator bottle because it's easy to apply directly to the scalp. And when I say my scalp felt so refreshed, it felt amazing. So I made sure I thoroughly applied this to my entire scalp, massaged it in, and I even left it on for a little while. And this is by far my favorite DIY shampoo I've ever made. I definitely suggest you guys give this a try if you have dandruff or if you have irritated scalp. or if you just want to detox your scalp to help your hair grow, because remember that hair growth starts at the roots. So in order to see healthy hair growth, you have to have a healthy scalp. Alright, so that is about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Hit the bell so notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.